it is for speed scrapping a battery backup. I've never done one of these just battery backups. I've done a couple with um, a surge protector in them, and those contain a little bit more brass and a little bit more insulated wire and copper, but they take longer to take apart. So first time for this battery backup. Hey, subscribe if you want or not. I really don't care. Again, like I say in every video, I'm just trying to share information. I hope anyone takes something out of this and enjoyed it just a little. I'm going to end with a quick disclaimer.
Keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.